Okay, before you start it, turn off your water mains. Then use a small screwdriver to apply the cover off. Remove the screws. Remove the handles, just pull it back and remove the red rings. And use 17mm socket or 17mm box spanner to remove the cartridge. Just twist backwards to remove the cartridge. You take out the cartridge. Just dry it out this. Then you put your new cartridge in. Then just twist it tight into it. Just tight with the spanners. Then turn your water main on. Just make sure there's no leak. Everything's fine. Then you put your red ring back into it. Make sure the triangle one that's fitting the slot on the bottom there. So just push into it. You put your handle into it. Then just give it a test. Make sure it's spin properly. Then screw back in. Just gentle tight. Then you put your cover back in. That's how you change your instant boil water tap cartridge in the boiling side.